Hey, 30-minute marketers. In today's video, we're talking about affiliate marketing, and we're talking about taking that to the next level. If you're new to the channel, I'm Gary Baker, and I'm here to show you how to do more to market your message in less time. And to do that, click on the subscribe button or ring the bell for notification of future videos. Check out the link in the description and the pinned first comment for a simple and effective step-by-step blueprint that you can use to start your own online business today. Remember, it's not about faster, it's about focus. And like I said, today's focus, we're talking about taking things to the next level inside of affiliate marketing. Before we get started with that, we need to understand there's 4 M's when we're talking about marketing. Not just affiliate marketing, but marketing in general. So when we're talking about marketing, we're talking about market, we're talking about message, we're talking about media, and the 4th M is mindset. Yep. Right here, the old noggin, what's going on between your ears. It's no different than being successful and taking things to the next level with anything, but it's worth addressing. And so while we're here on the channel and we always talk about these 2 things that I'm going to cover in this video, they're very 2 important things. So make sure you watch all the way through the video so you understand. Of course, like I said, we always talk about them here, but we're going to cover them in depth today. And there's 2 big things that you can use to take things to the next level with affiliate marketing. So the first thing is focus. And of course, this is an acronym, and we're going to start with the letter F. And it starts with forget, get rich quick. Just forget about it. Okay? I'm not saying that you cannot get rich and that you can't get rich quick doing affiliate marketing, but it just isn't going to happen overnight without focus and understanding that focus is not on the money, but it's about the market and the message and the media that you're going to use, and making sure you have the right mindset around building a real business, because that's what we're talking about here. When we're talking about affiliate marketing, we're talking about building a real sustainable business that you can use to change your life. The next one is opportunity. Opportunity's knocking. All you got to do is answer the door. Opportunity's everywhere. And the reason I say opportunity is knocking, all you got to do is answer the door, is when we talk about niche research. And I'll put a card up here that covers niches and niche selection, but opportunities everywhere for affiliate marketing, because there are so many products that people need to help them solve their problems, or so many problems out there that people want just because it's a hobby of theirs. So many opportunities inside of so many different niches. Opportunity is really truly knocking. You just have to answer the door. The next one is C for consistency. Just create a schedule and stick to it. Remember, you're building a real business. Like we said, talked about, forget about get rich quick. Come up with a schedule. Understand, just like you go to work every day, the reason that businesses grow and the reason they get employees and the reason that you work Monday through Friday, 9 to 5, is because they need you to be there and be consistent. They need for the product to be delivered consistently for their customers. Consistency in affiliate marketing is the same way. You need to show up and you need to put in the work, but you need to do it in consistent intervals so you're constantly growing and moving forward. And also so people know that you're around, they know that they can rely on you. They can rely on your content. They can rely on what it is you're saying, that you're here today and you're going to be here tomorrow. Upload content. Now, this is what you hear all the big marketers talk about, from Gary Vee to Neil Patel. They're always talking about content, content, content. Now, this is true inside affiliate marketing. If you're trying to take things to the next level inside of affiliate marketing, you have to be consistently putting your message out there, as we just talked about, and that means uploading content. Now, that doesn't mean uploading content to every social media platform out there. Not when you first get started. If you're small, focus on a platform. For example, here on YouTube, you could make YouTube videos and you could simply upload every day. Or if you can't consistently do that, then you could upload once a week, at least once a week, most likely. But if you can't, then upload once a month. The key here, and we talk about this on the channel as well when we talk about focus, is also about quality. So make sure your content is high quality, but make sure that you're uploading that content on a consistent basis. And the last and final element of focus, the S, is just stop making excuses. We all have the same amount of time in our day. We all have the same challenges. Some, I understand, struggles are harder than others for people depending on their circumstances, but we all face challenges throughout our day, throughout our life. So just stop making excuses about it. get to work, focus, and move on. And speaking of moving on, let's move on to the second thing that we have to do after we concentrate and we are focused and we're ready to take things to the next level. Thing number 2 is time. Of course, like I said, it's not about faster, it's about focus. Of course, we just covered focus. So what else do we talk about here at 30minutemarketing.net? We talk about time. Of course, we want to be faster, and the way we do that is to get focused and to be consistent with the things that we do and the methods. Just like Eugene Schwartz said, the famous copywriter, and the reason behind 30-minute marketing, the name, the inspiration for the name, when he needed to get something done, he set a timer for 33 minutes and 33 seconds, and he went to work. That timer, that 33 minutes and 33 seconds was a set amount of time for him to focus and to get things done. So again, we're talking about focus, and now we're going to talk about time. And with time, the first T, just like we talked about the 4 M's of marketing, we're going to be talking about the 3 M's, because we're going to use our time wisely to make sure that we understand our target market and we understand that our message is targeted to that market, and we understand that the media that we choose, of course, majority of us, the media is online, but we can sub-niche into online media. For example, we can use Facebook, Pinterest, YouTube, because certain niches work better on certain social media platforms. I've covered this here on the channel. Of course, those playlists are all in the description as well as in the cards. So make sure you check that out so you can understand why some niches are better for some media, some social media platforms than others. And then we'll move on to I. I inside of time simply stands for invest in yourself, invest in your business. Investing in yourself is what you're doing right now. You're here sharing your time with me on this video today. You're investing in yourself. You're understanding the things that you need to know. You're working on your mindset in case of this video. You're watching the other videos. You're learning technical skills. You're learning the hard skills of marketing. You're learning what marketing is about and how to influence people to get them to do the things that you need them to do, how to get them to take action, to do, for example, direct response marketing. You're investing in yourself. Things that you watch on this channel when we talk about Thrive themes and other products that I review that I promote, to include the one in the link in the description, which is a simple and effective blueprint. I promote these things because I want you to invest in yourself, but you also have to understand you have to invest in your business, both with time and, yes, money. I know a lot of people want to do things for free, but sometimes you spend so much time trying to figure out how to do something for free. If you would have just paid the $10, the $20, the $50, even $100, even $1,000, you might have saved yourself so much time, as well as the time to get something accomplished where you could start making money and taking things to the next level. Don't be afraid to invest in yourself and invest in your business with both your time and your money. Then, of course, inside of time, we talked about this. Of course, time is involved in market, message, and media, but it's also a huge thing. And it's why I cover it on this channel. And it's why I'm covering this video repeatedly, is mindset. Use your time wisely is about understanding that you have to get yourself in the right frame of mind to create. So for example, if you're going to create a video, if you don't have the right frame of mind, if you don't understand that you need to come here and be positive and show people that, hey, this is what it takes, and I'm here sharing this with you today because this is my passion, this is what I love, and I want to share that passion with you, then you're going to be wasting your time, and it's going to affect your mindset because you're going to create a piece of content and you're going to put it out for the world, and the world's going to reject it. And then what's that going to do? You're going to have to start all over again, and you're going to reset your clock to 0, and you're going to be losing time if you don't have the right mindset. And then E in every day is just like inside of focus, because focus and time really come together, and you have to use them both the same way. And the last thing that you have to make sure is you're using your time that you have every day. You have to show up every day. You have to put in the effort every day. You have to put in the work every day. You have to have the right frame of mind every day. And when you put those things together, those things being focus and time, when you put those together and you have those work together, it truly, really is the way to take things to the next level. Just like I always say here at 30minutemarketing.net, it's not about faster, it's about focus. And then focus leads you to faster, and it leads you to being able to use your time more efficiently. And that is what takes things to the next level as an affiliate marketer. So if this was helpful, give me a thumbs up. Leave me a comment about this video, the content, what you would like to hear from me next, anything I can help you with. Just ask in the comments. Don't forget, link in the description, pin first comment for a simple and effective step-by-step blueprint that will help you focus and use your time wisely to start building your own online business today. And 30-minute timer here on the end screen. Click on that, subscribe to the channel. Videos here on the end screen, more awesome content just like this one. And with that, I'll talk to you later. Bye.